Good morning, friends and family, YouTube worldwide. Welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I want to give thanks to the Most High for allowing me to give you this content. Today is Good Friday. Today is the best day of the work week. Today is week 43 of the $1, $2, 52-week challenge vacation sinking fund. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am just sharing what works for me. Here we manage our money wisely. Here we create a budget. Here we save first and spend later. Here we set financial goals. Here we invest early. Here we avoid debt. To summarize what I just said, here we earn, save, and invest for the long haul. Here we are building a solid financial foundation. Here we make sure we are fully funded weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly. As the head of the money management team, I want to go over the 3 golden rules of managing money. Golden rule number 1, don't spend more than you earn. Golden rule number 2, always plan for the future. Or golden rule number 3, help your money grow. Okay, friends and family, so we have $928 here. I added $25 because I don't want to open this, right? These are the golden new dollars, right? And I don't want to open it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this and I'm going to put this inside. But the $25, I already put the 25. It was 903. I put 25. So 25 plus 903 equals to 28. So we're going to put that there. All right, friends and family. So we're going to count this, what I have here. 25 minus 43. If I'm not mistaken, is $18, okay? So we're going to put these $18 in. So that way it'll be $43. All right, because I don't want to open that. I have more. I think I have like 2 or 3 more of these new dollar coins. So every time from now on, when you use the new ones, I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to put it inside. All right, friends and family. So we can start putting these in. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. Today is Good Friday. And I hope you all have a good weekend plan. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that way we could trigger the algorithm, so that way we could reach people that are trying to save money, reach people that are trying to invest money, you know, because it's very, very important to multiply your money. All right? Money, 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 money. Money. All right, so we have $946. So let's make sure that we are accurate and correct with it. So we are in week 43. $946 is correctamundo. There you go. Week 43, 946, 946. All right, friends and family. So we could put this here for now. We're not going to need it. We're not going to need this now either. All right, so we're going to use this right here. This is what we are going to need. All right, so we are going to, let me get this thing here. So that way, because these dollar bills are new. So we are going to count this. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. All right, friends and family, so we have 43 $2 notes. $43, that's $86. All right, 43 times 2 is $86. So we have week 43, $86. We have in total $1,980. $1,892. That's what we have. All right. So we are going to put this here. I don't want to count it again because it's hard to count because these dollar bills are new. This currency is new, so it's hard to count it. So we have week 43 and week 43. That's $86. Okay, friends and family. So we're gonna put this in here. There we go. We're gonna put that there. And then we're gonna have $25 towards our recoup and $25 towards our vacation. All right, so it is hot. So we have 20, 40, 60, 75. Another 25 makes it 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. All right, so this goes to the bank. So that way I'll get another $200 worth of this. All right, friends and family, we are close to the finish line. We are almost there. All right, we can put this here for now. And then we are going to count our vacation sinking fund. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1100, 10, 25. Another 25 is going to make it 1150. All right. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 11, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1150. All right. That's what we have so far for our vacation sinking fund. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We got 40. And we have 50. So that way it'll make it easier for us to count. All right. There you go. This has to be like this. All right. And then this goes to the bank. Let's make sure we have 100. You already know I like my money facing this way. All right, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Monthly recoup. We could put that there. All right, we don't need this for now. We can close this. We're not gonna need that either. Let's get our ink. So we put 25, 25, okay? Mortgage is fully funded. Insurance is fully funded for the week. Phone bill is fully funded. Oil bill is fully funded. And water bill is fully funded. Remember, we have 5 weeks for the month of October. So we have one more week, which is going to be Halloween. All right, so that's going to be our last week. That's going to be basically money that I could use to, do whatever I want, because we always work for 4 weeks, right? So when we have 5 weeks, I always treat myself. I either save or I buy something. Well, it's my wife's birthday next week, so her birthday is on the weekend. So That's going to be money to spend, for her birthday. All right. So friends and family, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe so that way we could trigger the algorithm. Okay, friends and family, have a blessed weekend. And hopefully, God willing, I'll see you for week 44. Okay, peace and love.